I decided to do something a little different and share a little bit about what we do at home. Enjoy! Okay. Chickens raided the apples already. So we're going to take these apples, we cut up some apples to make some applesauce from our apple trees. Here come the guineas. Who are those chickens, Annie?
Madeline.
And Madeline is which one? And for those who don't know, this is my beautiful daughter, Annabelle. She likes to stay out. She doesn't like to be with the rest of the chickens at night, so she usually finds a place to roost outside. So there's a young rooster, under a year old. Yep. And we have some water outside for them. One ends up roosting on it. There's a little holes on the bottom there for them to. This is the little door that they come out of. Who's that? Do you know, Annie? Is that one?
Annabelle chick.
That's Annabelle chick. That's one of the newer ones. And then this one here, Gimpy. And who's the mama to the? Who's the mama to the guineas?
Gimpy.
Gimpy is the mama to the guineas. Now what's the name of that rooster? He's the alpha rooster. What's his name? What's the rooster's name?
Napoleon.
It's Napoleon, because he has a Napoleon complex. He picks fights with me all the time. Barred Rocks have a terrible crow. So hold it down low here. Can you shoot a picture of me with the chickens? Am I in it?
Yeah.
Alright. That's Napoleon. Look,
Yeah.
He wants to fight me right now, I can tell.
This is a baby guinea.
These are
What's
the
it
guineas.
look like?
And there's a white guinea right there. It's the only white one. They call it lavender.
Those are the littler roosters back there. Mulberry tree.
And there's a mulberry tree. Good. That's one. Oh, it wasn't recording. All right, we just came to the, I don't know what we recorded and what we didn't. Annie was, so that's our nesting box. Has a little hinge door on it. And we got an egg this morning. We have 2 nesting boxes. So it's just a little private area. They like private areas where they can come.
Somebody's.
This is where their food is. We load it up in this 5-gallon bucket. It comes down. We just have it anchored with some chain. And have a little cover that goes on there to keep it protected at night because the mice.
That's what we had.
Yep, we have 2 resident rats that come in at night, and if I don't close that up by about 7, the rats get it.
Ah.
And then we also have had groundhogs, and I saw a skunk one time in here. Yep. Did you point to the water? There's the water that hangs inside.
This is the water.
And this little homemade construction here is called a roosting box. These little bars they sleep on at night, and most of their droppings will fall down in there. It's covered in the outside, and we open that up and clean that out periodically.
I think that's all we need to show them.
Yep. All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's crack an egg.
Crack the egg. Good job. Right in front of Annie here is there's a sourdough station. I have some sourdough. I'll show you that some other time. Oh!
This is what it looks like.
And there's some of the egg on the counter.
Yeah?
Do you want to play?
Yeah.
Annie was helping me cut apples this morning. They ended up in the back.
And this is our egg. And this is how we eat nicely.
Here, I'll hold it and you can show us how to
This
eat.
is how we eat nicely.
Kim.
This is how we drink nicely.
What are you drinking?
Milk. This is how we eat eggs.
Wow, I like your form. All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching.